If you're the Jill of all trades, in that you have a little bit of experience in social media marketing, email marketing, drafting copy, a little bit of experience updating websites, then this would be the perfect opportunity for you. A little bit about me. I have over 10 years of experience as a virtual assistant and project manager. And in this video, I'll be taking you through some of the responsibilities of a e-commerce slash dropshipping virtual assistant. First, you will be in charge of customer service. You will be the front-facing representative of the business. So fielding emails from prospective customers to current customers that are looking for a status of their shipment, just being basically the email liaison between yourself and the customers. You'll also be doing a lot of research, anywhere from product research to supplier research to competitor research. And you may be working with other virtual assistants or team members where you'll be sharing that information with them. And from there, they will be pulling together what to do next with that information. In terms of website maintenance, you will be uploading graphics or videos at the top of the website, the hero banner section, uploading pictures for new products, adding product descriptions. So very limited website maintenance. No one's asking you to build a website from the ground up. However, if you are working with a client who is launching a new e-commerce store, then that would be one of the responsibilities of their virtual assistant. In terms of order processing, again, very much similar to what you'll be doing in the customer service task, making sure that the orders are being processed accordingly, making sure that the shipping labels are correct, that the orders are being shipped out according to whatever the SOPs are. In terms of inventory management, making sure that the listings are correct, you're monitoring inventory, making any corrections that are needed to the website. And lastly, social media marketing, making sure that the new products are being featured on social media pages. You may be working hand in hand with the dedicated social media virtual assistant to do that. If there isn't one, then that would be a part of your responsibilities, making sure that new products are being pushed out to the social media channels and making sure that the offers are being promoted on the social media channels, and making sure that both the new products, the offers, and current products are being pushed out via your email marketing tool. So that's it for now. See my links on how we can work together if you're looking for a virtual assistant for your business, or if you prefer DIY options on how to supercharge sales in your business, that's also available. Thanks for watching.